Hey, my name is Ali with NYC Marketers. I spoke to Zayn Movers yesterday, and I told you guys I'll send you out a video. I got your email address here, and in this video, it's going to be pretty short. I'm going to share 3 things you can do today to help your business bring in more customers. And so, if at the end of this video you like what you see, you like what you heard, shoot me a message, and we can chat. If not, that's okay with me. So now, without any further ado, I'm going to tell you about the 3 things I'm going to share with you today. They're going to be content, citations, and backlinks. So first, as you see, I'm on your website's homepage. And on the homepage, to rank anywhere in Google, the golden standard is 1,500 or more words. That is content. So I recommend you guys make sure you have 1,500 words on your homepage. Just looking through it. It's a good homepage, but you definitely should look into getting at least 1,500 words on your homepage. That'll be your content right there. Secondly, let me take you over to Google. So I just typed in moving companies NYC like any normal person would, just to see what pops up. And let me explain to you how this stuff works on Google. So this top part you see right here, it's a relatively new thing that Google launched, and this is called Google Guaranteed. This is a really good thing, working out great for businesses. Google guarantees the existence of a business, and then you can put your business here. It's a paid service, but it gives really, really good leads. Secondly, we move down, you'll see the traditional Google ads. These work if they're placed correctly, if the information is good on there. But in 2020, as I'm sure you know, there's a lot of people who put ad blockers on their browsers, and this completely goes out. Nobody sees them. And then another thing, a lot of people intentionally skip this section because they've had bad experiences previously. But once again, if placed correctly, this is effective. Moving on down, we go to the map section. This section is called the Map Pack, Google Map Pack, and they typically show your top 3 companies here. A lot of customers, in my experience, skip a lot of stuff and go to this Map Pack because it tells them if the company is local by giving the address, giving the phone number, hours of operation, right? A link to their website. It's really good. It also shows like some reviews and whatnot. It's imperative to get a company to move in any of these top positions in the map pack. Moving down, you'll generally see directories and organic ranking. A directory is basically like your Yelps, your yellow pages, your white pages, Facebook business pages. Those are nationwide and they're not local, but they end up on every business search usually, like flat rate. You'll see down here there's some magazine article, then you see Yelp right here. And in between all that is going to be your organic ranking websites. Like these guys right here are ranking almost number 1 in NYC moving companies, roadway moving. So they're also number 1 right here. And I told you I'll tell you about content. I did. And citations. Citations is basically anywhere on the internet where you can put your business's information, the business name, address, and phone number. And the big citation companies are usually your directories like Yelp, Yellow Page, White Pages. There's a ton of them out there. So that would be your citations. And to show you a comparison of the top competitor, this is the roadway people, roadway moving. This is how their website looks like. Also a pretty good website, very vibrant, good colors, easy to read. And as we move down, you'll notice there's a lot of content here, a lot of pictures, a lot of information. They spaced it out so it's easy to read, but there's a lot of content here, which is helping them place right at the top and getting a lot of those customers that otherwise other people will be getting. So they got a lot of information just for comparison purposes. Thirdly, I told you I'll talk about backlinks. Now, this is a tool called Ahrefs, which gives a lot of valuable information, but I usually don't see this a lot. Sometimes I do. You see, Zayn Movers, it's not really showing any kind of ranking. They're not pulling up any sort of data for you. And just for comparison, usually every other website has a lot of data here. So we can't even see what's going on. What's your referrals? What's your keywords? And in comparison, I'll show you the roadway guys. This is what their Ahrefs looks like. So you see they've got So many backlinks, and like I said, a backlink is basically anywhere on the web when a website puts a link to your website. So that's called a referring domain. So they've got about 1,300 referring domains, giving them about 4,000 backlinks, giving them 4,000 organic keywords, and driving them at least 9,000 organic traffic per month. So that's a big thing. So, and in your case right here, it's not really ranking at all. So I'm not sure if you guys are using it from some kind of a marketing agency or whatnot. This is something you should be looking into. So because without the statistics and analytics, you can't really do anything. But going back to your website, just from what I see right here, it's already made nicely. A couple touches here and there are really gonna move you up along far away. And that's basically what I had today for you. And I hope this video was educational. If you like what you saw, like what you heard, and would like to know more about what NYC marketers can do for your company and bring you a lot more customers, please give me a call. My information, once again, is in the email signature, and I would love to chat with you guys. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips I've given you today, but I would like you to at least give me some feedback on what you thought about the video and how I did. Thanks once again, and have a great day.